everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cherry blossom tree with oil pastels and acrylics.
So we are going to start with oil pastels, and first she's going to make a moon. So I'm going to use the ring to make the perfect circle for the moon. So yeah, that's the moon. Next, she's going to make a crescent shape, lightly just. Yeah. And then we leave it at that for now. We can just make some shades on the moon. Yeah. And then we leave it, and now just an outline with the gray, and then we are going to add layers. We'll start with the gray, then we will add the shades of blue from lighter to darker. So we keep adding layers from lighter to darker. So next we are going to do light blue. So next shade of blue. So right now we have covered the moon part with white paper so that it doesn't get messy. So next we are going to do the sides with the darkest navy blue, and after that we are going to blend the oil pastels before we move on to the acrylics. So this is how it looks right now, and next step we are going to fold a paper towel like this, and then you just blend in the colors a little bit. So we are blending the dark colors. I'm still not touching the moon. So blend it as nicely as it can. The more you blend, the nicer it will look. So once you blended the outside, next we are going to blend in the moon a little. So once all the oil pastel is blended, we are going to use some black paint to make the branches for the cherry blossom tree. So just make branches moving around randomly across the paper. So since it is black, just be careful that you're not putting your hand on the wet paint. So now is the fun part. After you're done with the branches, we are going to use Q-tips. So we have a couple of Q-tips. There are 5 Q-tips that I've tied together, and I have some red acrylic paint, and all you need to do is dip your tips with the paint and then just make some flowers here and there, like it acts like a stamper. Yeah, so just do one and just leave it. Don't work on the same area again and again. So once we are done with the red, we are next going to use some white acrylic paint here and there so that it has a pink effect on it. So as you can see, as soon as you put the white, it kind of looks like pink. We are almost done. Next, she's just adding a little reflection with the white on the under the branches of the tree. And then I think we should be done with our painting. So that is it. Next, all we need to do is take out the masking tape and we should be done. Yeah, I think after taking out the masking tape, this is how it looks. And yeah, I think it's done.
I hope you all liked my painting. Please try this at home and tell me how it went. See you next time. Bye bye.